Hi guys, welcome to another video, another day, and I hope आप सब अच्छे हो because I'm also good and I hope you are also doing good. अपना ध्यान रखिए अपनी सेहत का and yeah, so as I promised in my last video that I will share with you how I shifted from sociology to designing and तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट करिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So back in 2021, when I passed out from my school, I pursued humanities. ठीक है, तो हुआ क्या था, वन थिंग वॉज श्योर कि आई वॉज ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड इन डिज़ाइनिंग. लाइक मुझे आर्ट करना बहुत पसंद था. तो आई वॉज फ्रॉम अ बैच जिसका कोविड था 12th में. सो आई वॉज देयर एट माई होम इंटायर टाइम इन माई 12th. And उस टाइम आई फाइनलाइज कि आई वॉन्ट टू परस्यू डिज़ाइनिंग. But as I cleared entrance exams, if you know, there is NIFT, then there is NID, and there is also UCEED. So I gave 3 of them, and luckily I got into NIFT. And UCEED में I was on waiting because उस time पे there were 3-4 colleges ही जो लेते थे स्टूडेंट्स को जिनके पास साइंस नहीं थी. ठीक है, सो दे हैव देयर डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया. यू हैव टू चेक ऑन देयर स्पेसिफिक कॉलेजेस UCEED में कौन कौन से ऑफर करते हैं. ठीक है, सो आई वांटेड टॉप के कॉलेजेस IITs. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि आफ्टर दैट लाइक व्हेन आई गॉट NIFT तो आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है. देन अगेन लॉकडाउन पड़ा, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, इन अप्रैल मई के टाइम पे. ठीक है, सो ड्यू टू सर्टन सर्कमस्टांसेस आई कुडंट टेक एडमिशन. सो माई अनदर ऑप्शन वॉज B, दैट वॉज कि चलो DU में ही जाना है. ठीक है, तो लकीली आई गॉट इन टू वन ऑफ द कॉलेजेस, दैट इज़ JDMC in DU, and I got sociology in the list. तो we had that time पे परसेंटेज के बेसिस पे आपको कॉलेज मिलेगा. तो आई गॉट इट एंड आई वॉज लाइक चलो ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैड इंटरेस्ट इन all the humanities subjects. So I was okay with that and very happy. So those 3 years of my life were like the best thing ever. I made friends, we went to trips, we studied together, I got awards, I got scholarship, and also I was part of various clubs. Like I was part of my student union committee. I was the head, as media head of the student committee. I was my art society का member and was also leading one position there, and I was also leading position in my department. तो सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया था. and इस journey में I learned a lot, and उसमें I used to create designs for my college society. okay, तो I was sure कि यार ये चीज़ तो like I can't leave it. So during my second year I decided कि let's try and learn it by myself, maybe professionally, unprofessionally. So like by not unprofessionally, cut, maybe professionally, and maybe via YouTube sources. So what I did was I then found out about NIFT का CE program. Some colleges have their continuing education programs. So I applied there now, and it was of specialization was UI UX design. ठीक है, so and at that time and still it's in peak. So I did it and I learned from there specifically from their professor. It was a great thing. ठीक है, I did my solo project और फिर my journey began. Then I started applying for remote internships. ठीक है, with my bachelor's, and luckily I got one. And there it was a startup, and I worked for like 1 year approx, and मैंने वहाँ पे इतना सीखा. It was remote, so it was very flexible for me. And उस learning के time पे that was my 3rd year, so it was remote also, and I was having my college, so I was doing that simultaneously. I was pretty sure कि मुझे designing तो नहीं छोड़नी. तो later on how I entered into my current college. So it was my last year, so I was looking for entrance exams. So there is CUET, then there is other entrance exam for masters. of specifically I'm talking about designing. Okay, so from CUET you can get 1 or 2 because design entrance exams are very specific to college. Like you have NID का specific अपना design entrance, then you have NIFT का अपना, then you have other colleges like UID, Symbiosis. It's up to you like कौन सा college तुमको चाहिए. So then I got to know about my college, that in which I am currently going to be in my 4th semester. That is the Dhirubhai Ambani University. Okay, so it's an IT college but they have design department. तो मुझे जैसे उसके बारे में पता लगा, I messaged so many people, like so many people, and it was it's a multidisciplinary program and it's a communication design specialization. So it is not something which is confined to just one thing. So यहाँ पे we are taught about photography, videography, fundamental of designs, how to do ethnography, that I already know from my sociology background. So I was like कि this is like the best place for me क्योंकि I have research background and जो learning यहाँ पे मिलती है, it's something which is embedded with the process. Like we are taught with so much detail कि how we can indulge into that process कि हम एक ऐसा बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाए, कुछ भी बनाए डिज़ाइनिंग का. बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू लर्न लाइक थोड़ा होलिस्टिकली, लाइक बिकॉज सी इट्स लाइक एन इंडस्ट्री विच विल चेंज विद टाइम. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप जो भी चीज़ चूज़ कर रहे हो बहुत केयरफुली चूज़ कर रहे हो, बिकॉज डिज़ाइन इज़ वेरी मच इवोल्यूशनरी. यू हैव टू बी विद इट लाइक एंड चेंज विद इट with time. So it's something which is very important, and this was the best decision for me because I didn't want to take any specific specialization कि मुझे एक specific चीज़ में ही करना है. But this specialization of communication design gave me this broader aspect कि अब मैं कुछ भी करना चाहूँ लाइफ में. Even if I want to open my studio, I have this much of knowledge कि I can do that by myself. So that's how I landed up here, and I met my fellow mates and great professors. So yeah, this was the journey of bar graph. यहाँ से यहाँ. And they say if you actually want to do something, you will eventually do it. So this was my journey from being a sociology grad to a designer. And something which is very important कि if you want to do it, like if you want to change your field from a theoretical to practical field, it's not that complicated, specifically in India. Okay, and if try to use that as a power because it makes you a better person. Like in design, I had grip of sociology, so I can understand society, and when it comes to design learning very much in more deeper sense than anybody else. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा समझना ज़रूरी होता है. And if you want to know about course or anything how that specifically went, so I can also share about that. You can ask me in comment section. So yeah, keep watching, and this was all about it. But it was a great roller coaster ride for me since then. And yeah, see ya, bye bye. Do share and subscribe. Bye bye.